Yay! Hey, is this thing on? Yep, it is. It is recording. I'll show you what my Stream Deck looks like. This is what it looks like when I when the computer when the computer starts. I don't use this folder anymore. I have all these up here, which are their separate well, this is a folder. No, it's a hotkey. Wait, I click it, and it's a screenshot. It's amazing. This little settings right here is just really nothing. It's just brighter, darker, and that. I'm gonna show you the simple ones. Like, this is the widgets. I really don't use this. Yeah. I'm gonna click run. This is actually really cool. This it's like really cool. You know what? I'll copy paste it like this so you can kind of see what it looks like. If I click one of these buttons right here, it'll open up whatever. So let me click Discord. More. There you go. Oh yeah. If I click either of these buttons right here, it'll go to their profile. And here's the Spotify profile that I have. You can see it right here. Well, Spotify's not on. That's why this button's right here. But I don't want to click that button yet. Right here is my crap. My crap. I'm sorry. My stream is more not PG, but if I click it, this is what happens. OBS is up. This thing's up. It's supposed to play. I'll let it play. There you go. Oh, there's chatbot. And yeah, that's amazing. There you go. I'm gonna just do that. That is really amazing. So if I click this button, it opens up all my crap. And if I click this button, it opens up Professor Kane's Ends chat. So I can get some Evoking it, and I just leave it like this. So I'll just minimize that. Oh yeah, and the website's just the websites. Let's go to the Twitch. This is actually really cool. I just click this button right here so I can record this. And if I click this button right here, I will go live. And all these buttons right here. Well, I really can't show you, but if I click either of these buttons right here, it'll go to a different scene. So if I click begin, it will go like this. Chat. Yeah. And what's really cool is I have this button right here, which is the my spin wheel button. So if I click this button right here, this would happen. Oh god. Ta-da! I have to do it with the music on, so what does it turns the music off. Since I had the music off, it turned it on. Then spun the wheel. And yeah, that's what that does. And if I click either of these buttons right here, this is just to change the scenes. This is if I'm screwed up. If I click either of these buttons, it'll give people whatever is on the spin wheel and goes back. I don't know why I have this cough right now, but that's what it is. This button takes me back right here. This goes to the run profile that I have. I have so many profiles. This goes to the audio files. You see all these audio files I have. Like this one. these two.
Nice.
And I like this one because I actually made this.
This is
And that's what that does. Slums, all this crap. And if I click this little button right here, it is actually a folder. So if I open the folder up, thump, I have to copy paste everything on the bottom and put it right here. And put it right here. And this is my Spotify stuff. So yeah. Here's my favorite part. This my cool effects right here. So here's clutch. This will take me to a profile. And I can click start, and here's all these little different scenes right here. And it's amazing, and this is the stop button. I press this button if I'm done. I'm doing this little effect. So here's the effect. Oh god.
The prophecy is true.
The prophecy is true. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's what it actually looks like. Me zooming in, pressing this button. Yeah. Oh yeah, wait. You know what's really cool? If I press the end button, it takes me to this profile right here, so there's no use. There's really nothing I can do to there's really nothing I can do right here, so it'll just take me back right here, which is really amazing. This is my raid stuff. Webcam. Gotta go right here. Here's desktop. Capture. Wait. Right here's captured. There's really nothing on. If I'm open up Pokemon and I have this on, it'll show Pokemon on OBS. Elgato. There you go. In the raids.
The prophecy is true.
Spartans!
Disgusting!
Ready your breakfast and eat hot. More! But tonight, we
Die
die
in hell! I love this.
When my people were slavery and death.
I actually made this. This. I really love this Stream Deck so much. You can do lots of things with this. I have voice mods so I can do some voice stuff. Wait, wait. So what a voice mod does? Wait. Okay. What voice mod does and lets me there's like these different filters right here, or voice mods that I can enable. They're free. Well, these are the free ones, but all these right here are like $5 a day. 5 for 3 months. $20 for a lifetime. That's actually a really good deal. So if you just want to buy Voice Mod Pro, it's $20. That's really good. And yeah, that is really amazing. Is there anything else that I have? Oh yeah, right here, I have this little thing, which is the wallpaper. So I can just delete all this right here. You know what? I'll do that. There you go. And to make a little wallpaper right here, I just put the most useless button, just put it right here. That, there you go. 11. There you go. Ta-da! My Stream Deck is finally complete. Well, there's still more things I need to do. But for now, here's my Stream Deck. And it is absolutely amazing. Hopefully you like this video. This just showing my Stream Deck. Also, Sarah told me to show you my Stream Deck, so you can just thank her for letting me show you this amazing Stream Deck. It is amazing.